Welcome to Madtown Cooking. Today we will be making red curry deviled eggs. That is my dad's favorite appetizer. It's for my mommy's birthday. Tra-la-la! Here's our recipe for red curry deviled eggs. 12 eggs, half cup of mayo, quarter cup of red curry paste, 1 tablespoon of horseradish mustard, ground black pepper if you want. Start with a dozen of farm fresh eggs. Then boil the eggs in a big pot. Have a grown-up scoop up the eggs and put them each in the ice water. If you put them in the ice water, they peel better. Next, we peel the eggs. Next, we cut the egg in half the long way. Then we pop the egg yolks in the food processor. Then we set our yolks this side up, and then we always want to put it that side up and make sure all the yolk is out, because we're going to fill them later on. First, we add in the mayo. And then we put in the horseradish mustard. Then we add in the red curry paste. Then we add in the brown pepper. Blend it until it's creamy and smooth. Scoop the paste into the pipe. Then we fill the egg whites with the filling. Look at him go! Now our curry double eggs are done.